Welcome to France, a land of romance, revolution, and remarkable charm. Located in Western Europe, France shares borders with Belgium, Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, and Luxembourg. It also has overseas territories around the world. The capital is Paris, a global center of art, fashion, and culture. France has a population of about 67 million. The official language is French, and the currency is the euro, EUR. France is a semi-presidential republic with a rich political legacy, including the famous French Revolution. The current president is Emmanuel Macron. France has one of the world's largest economies, driven by sectors such as tourism, aerospace, fashion, wine, and agriculture. It's a founding member of the European Union and a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. The French landscape is incredibly diverse. You'll find the Alps in the east, home to Mont Blanc, Western Europe's highest peak. The Pyrenees form a natural border with Spain, while the Mediterranean coast offers sunny beaches. The Loire Valley and Provence are famous for their beauty and charm. France has several UNESCO World Heritage Sites and national parks. French culture is known for its elegance, pride, and global influence. France is predominantly Roman Catholic, though it is a secular state. The country is famous for its art, philosophy, literature, and cinema. Iconic traditions include the Bastille Day Parade, the Cannes Film Festival, and long café conversation. Fun fact, France has more time zones than any other country due to its overseas territories. French cuisine is legendary. From croissants and baguettes to escargots and coq au vin, the variety is endless. France is also the world's top wine producer. Meals often involve multiple courses and are savored slowly. Cheese lovers rejoice. There are over 1,000 types of French cheese. Sports are an essential part of life in France. Football is the most popular sport, and France has won the FIFA World Cup twice. Cycling is also iconic, thanks to the world-famous Tour de France. Other popular sports include tennis, rugby, and pétanque, the traditional game played in parks across the country. Tourism is massive in France, which is the world's most visited country. Visitors come for the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, the castles of the Loire, and the lavender fields of Provence. Whether you dream of sipping coffee in a Parisian cafe or hiking in the Alps, France has something unforgettable for everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.